Wall pocket storage solutions transform crowded counters into organized, accessible zones in small homes. Start by choosing the right format for your space and needs. If mail and small daily items are the main issue, a multi-pocket fabric wall organizer offers flexibility since you can assign pockets for incoming mail, outgoing items, coupons, and receipts. For a cleaner aesthetic and sturdier support for envelopes and magazines, install a wooden slot mail sorter at shoulder height, anchored into studs or using high-quality wall anchors if studs are not available. A key and coin pocket with a charging slot solves two problems at once by combining a small pouch for keys and loose change with a shallow tray and a pass-through for one charging cable, so phones can sit and charge while off the counter. Use slim hanging basket panels where vertical width is limited. Mount them in stairwell landings or the inside of a closet door to reclaim narrow wall real estate. For home offices that need paper triage, vertical file racks with labeled pockets let you create a simple workflow, such as action, file, archive, and they keep documents upright and easy to scan visually. Measure wall height and pocket depth before purchase to ensure items will not protrude into walkways or catch on doors. 3 common mistakes reduce effectiveness, and each has a simple fix. Buying oversized pockets that swallow everything creates a junk drawer on the wall, so pick pocket sizes that match the typical items you keep and limit capacity by using labels and one intake spot. Mounting organizers too high or too low makes them inconvenient, so test a mock placement at chest height for average use and adjust for children or accessibility needs. Relying on a single pocket for mixed items leads to recluttering, so create microcategories and use small separators, envelopes, or color-coded tags to keep categories distinct. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to installing wall pocket systems and other small space solutions. We also help contractors find work and connect with clients, and our site hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips, installation tricks, and product recommendations.